So today we're here at my cabinet shop and we ordered this. We do a lot of shaker style doors and sometimes we make them at the table, so but we decided to make them a little bit faster. We're gonna try it with the router. It makes a groove for the female and then it cuts double for the male. We're gonna test it out right now on the router table. Este sí lo tengo que mover a little bit more porque si miras, cuando lo pase aquí. So this is that panel that we were showing you to do shaker style when you want a better quality. We use a thicker panel with the other bit that we use, and we got all these templates, so it's easier for you, more professional. You just slide it in and it'll fit right in there. So now we got the pieces. Just locks in there in place.